went from painting and customizing the S10 over there to customizing the cornhole game. We've got the boards in here in the paint booth. They're all sanded, primed, and ready for paint. So we're about to put the first coat of paint on it now. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, well, he's putting the first coat on there. We decided to go ahead and spray it white. On the boards have finally dried, and he's made some stickers to go on it.
Worked. It's on there. Okay, one down, one more to go.
Well, he's got the black painted around the outside base of the board. Wiping everything off now, and he's about to spray the clear on it. Okay, he's spraying the first coat of clear on him now. Well, how'd they turn out?
Slick as owls.
Oh my gosh, they look so good. It doesn't look like wood, does it?
Like glass.
That is awesome.
And the opposing team is in blue.
Alright, y'all, well, there they are. We're gonna just let them hang out in here a little bit till we're ready to pack them up and leave, and that's gonna be fun. We're gonna have to find some bubble wrap.
8 coats of clear on them.
So, should be good to go.
Yep. Party on, man.
Head on over and check out the full video of us building these, plus a surprise S10 build that we did. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.